In this video, I will briefly share more about how everything is always working in your favour. The only thing that is ever happening is good, and it's always in your favour, because you are always creating your experiences. When you look at life from only the 3D perspective, it may feel like there are blocks, obstacles, issues, or challenges in the way. However, if you perceive life from a higher perspective, you will see that you are constantly being steered and course corrected on your path. Everything in your life is always serving you, to awaken you to yourself at deeper and deeper levels, to show you your power and to guide you to your own magnificence. Your experiences lift you into a version of yourself that you've never known before, as they guide you to reach inside and find a part of you that you didn't even know you had or existed. You attract into your life what you need in order to evolve, and so you are creating each experience for yourself. Everything has a higher purpose, and whatever is happening in your life is leading to your highest growth and evolution, as it's helping you to be who you came here to be. Essentially, everything is happening for you, not to you, even if it doesn't look or feel good in the moment, or you don't understand it at the time. You didn't come here to suffer. You came here to live in your fullness, to thrive and to experience the diversity and richness of life. Here are some phrases that may support and inspire you in your journey of transformation. I am a powerful being and generate my life situations to awaken myself. The challenges in my life support me to refine myself by guiding me to my true authentic self. I am already everything I seek to be. Each experience simply leads me to my highest potential.